Friends, today I will show you the famous Karera Waterfalls of Burundi. As you can see, this is the information board. There are 5 waterfalls at one location nearby, and this is the office of the management. For the foreigners, the ticket price is $10 or 30,000 Burundian franc, and for the local persons, it is only just 5,000 Burundian franc. From here, the Karera Waterfall site is approximately 3 kilometers. Karera Waterfalls covers 142 hectares of land, which is equal to 350 acres of land. And this type of ticket you will get after the payment. You can see our name, Aman Rohit Bhupesh. It is written in the French. Now the gate is open. Now we are going to Karera Waterfall site. It is located inside a biodiversity park, or you can say a reserve forest. Karera Waterfall is the most famous tourist attraction in the foreigners in Burundi after Lake Tanganyika. Now we entered in the Karera Waterfall site. You can see the density of forest. You can see the tourists are here with the bus and their private vehicles. In the background you can see the biggest and the main attraction of the Karera Waterfalls. It is the primary waterfall. It has a height of 80 meters. You can see there is lots of sound of the water, and now the water is very clear because almost rainy season is finished. In the rainy season, the water is full of mud and sand. I am away from the waters, minimum 20 meters, but I can observe the drops of the water also. He is the official guide here for the tourists. We hire him for the safety and for the details. I already visit here 3 times in the past. Now I come here 4th time. You can see the forest density. And the temperature inside this waterfall area is less than the outside. Minimum there is 3 to 4 degrees Celsius difference because it is lots of forest. These are some details written on this stone in Kirundi. This is the suspension bridge. From where here you can see the Karera number 2 waterfall and number 3. In the down you can see Karera waterfall number 3. And this is number 2. You can hear the sound of the water. In mountains regions of India and all across the world, you can see lots of suspension bridges If you want to go down, we can go from there. Now we're moving down, so we can go there, and I will show you the exactly the view of the waterfall. We are moving from here in the down. In the rainy season, these steps are very slippery, but now it is okay, but you have to take precautions because there is no fencing so much for the precautions. You see there, my friends are there. This is the amazing nature view. You can see the height. It is very deep and it is so dangerous. My suggestion for the government, they have to build here fencing. This is the closest view. Now after taking lots of photos, we are going back on the top for another waterfall. Now we pass over this suspension bridge. We are going to another waterfall. When we come, if you go from this side, you will go at the main center of the falls where we stop our car. How densely forest is this? We come from this road. This is the main entrance and exit road. Now you see, we stop our car there. Now we're moving this side for the another waterfall, and one is going from there. This is number 4. You can see there is so much slippery stones because of water. Now we're moving back and going on the last waterfall, which is on the height of the mountains. Try point. Moving here for the last and the most crucial waterfall. Mostly vloggers did not show you this waterfall because it is on the height and the path is not good for the trekking. You can see there on the stones there is so much algae. Due to this, you have to be careful, otherwise you may be slipped and it will be harmful for you. Now you can see the path is very narrow and full of stones. You have to be careful, very, very careful. You can see and hear the sound of water. You can see here is shelter for the sitting and rest. I think 99 tourists are not coming here on this top of the waterfalls. It is just near. You have to cross this wooden bridge. You have to be very careful on this. You can see the water is coming from the mountains. Local people are using this water for drinking and domestic and commercial use and for the agriculture use. You can see the bottom. We are on so much height. Now we're going back to the bottom. We come from there, then first we go in the down. Now we're moving this side. In the rainy season, this area is full of water. This is the last and the topmost waterfall. It is about 12 meters of height. I come here second time. Otherwise I am going from down to the home. My guide is also tired. We come from here. Okay, let's go down. This is number 2 waterfall, but in practical it is number 1 waterfall. Now we're going back to the down. There is another sitting area for the tourist. Now I show you the majestic mountainic view of the falls. Wait for some time. You can see this. This is the number 4th waterfall. We're going down from here directly to the number 1 waterfall. All the steps are made up of stones. First they cut the mountain and they put small stones and make the steps. So you have to be very careful coming from here, and we're going down. We come down here again. You can see my friends Rohit and I'm taking pictures with the local people. You can see we come here again. Our car is there, and my friends are taking bath. They have enjoyed. Stay tuned on my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog and you get all the information for this